In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide sections on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to simplify your site for a clean aesthetic, or maybe you're prepping a page for a future reveal, you've come to the right place. With Squarespace, the process to hide different sections of your website is straightforward. So even if you're not too tech savvy, have no fear, I'll guide you through each step. Firstly, let's venture to the Squarespace platform. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. You'll be greeted by the home page, an entryway to the digital expression of your brand or personal creativity. Once here, it's time to make it distinctly yours by logging into your account. Look for the login option on the page. Clicking on login will prompt you to enter your credentials. But if, like many, you've linked your Google account for easier access, simply click on Continue with Google. This option streamlines the login process, pulling your information securely from Google, sparing you from remembering yet another password. After clicking to continue with Google, you'll see a list of accounts. Choose the account associated with your Squarespace site. This step assumes you've already set up Google integration, which is a convenient feature for quick access. Now directly dive into the heart of your digital space by clicking on your website listed under your account. This action will bring up the back end of your site, where all the magic happens, from adding content, customizing designs, to tweaking settings for optimal user experience. With your website dashboard open, it's time to get to the nub of today's guide. Locate and click on the edit button. This could be directly accessible from your dashboard, or may require navigating to a specific page or section you wish to hide. Often your Squarespace dashboard will intuitively guide you with visual cues or icons emblematic of editing functions. Upon clicking to edit your chosen section, you're now in the nitty-gritty where customization begins. If this section you're focusing on has a background, let's remove it to make the content less conspicuous. This may seem like a backward step, but it's part of the process in discreetly hiding this section. Next on our list, lower the opacity of the other elements within this section. By doing this, you're effectively making these elements fade into the background, further camouflaging this section from your site visitors. Adjusting opacity is a delicate art. Too low, and your content becomes too hard to see, too high, and it's not hidden enough. Once you've tackled the opacity of other elements, click on Background within the editor options. This is where you can play around with the visibility of your section's background, which is crucial to making your content blend seamlessly or disappear into the overall page design. Now, the moment you've been adjusting for, lowering the opacity of your section's background, this step is what seals the deal. By reducing the background's visibility, you create an illusion of an empty space or a seamlessly integrated part of your website. It's all about finding the right balance, enough to conceal but not completely erase the presence should you decide to unveil this section in the future. Having made these changes, it's absolutely essential to save your work. Look for the Save button, often located at the top or bottom right of your editing screen, and click it. This action will apply all the adjustments you've made, ensuring that your section is hidden just as you desire. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of hiding sections on Squarespace. Remember, the beauty of Squarespace lies in its flexibility and intuitive design capabilities. Should you ever decide to bring a hidden section back to the forefront, simply revisit these steps and adjust accordingly. Throughout this tutorial, I aimed to demystify the process and empower you to customize your website with confidence. Squarespace is a powerful tool for creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses alike. Knowing how to tailor your site to fit your vision is key. For more tutorials on making the most of your Squarespace site, keep watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy designing.